Well then, you joined me at quite an exciting expedition. We are journeying today to Taunton, which doesn't sound that exciting, but if you know Taunton, it is a vibe of, and you know how much I love the shit. But the first thing we need to do is get up our route so we know where we're going. Easy as that. Did that actually work? Not really. Okay, that's fine. If I just do this, that's fine. Yeah, that works. So this is my first YouTube video, and it's going to be a bit of a series, I hope. This one's a short one. This one's only going to be a night, but hopefully there'll be more and they'll be longer. But I tell you what, I don't know if you don't do any of this YouTube like, you don't understand. And I think that I was in the same boat as that. I just didn't get how much planning you need to f***ing do. Like, the amount of f***ing around I've done today, just getting ready, it's just been ridiculous. It really has been mental. I've just been faffing with microphones and cameras, and it's just been like constant. Oh, now look, my phone isn't. This is what it's like. Just a constant amount of faffing. Sounds like a place. A lot of faffing. There we go. Okay. Got a multi-mic setup, which should sound pretty sweet. So you got one mic in my helmet, and then one on the back of the bike. There we go. Oh. So links in the description for everything that I'll be using on this trip in terms of recording equipment. It's nothing. I've done it on a budget for sure. Oh, second. But I've gone for quite good stuff. Well, I think so. So on there we have a DJI Action. We haven't got any other cameras at the minute. It's just this one. Just this one. I think that's plenty for now to just get started with. I'll do that thing. I don't know if anyone else does that. It's like, are my panniers still there? Are they still there? It feels exciting today. I mean, this is the sort of the first day that I've been able to just go out on the bike. Nothing planned other than riding. I mean, I've got a route plan, but nothing planned in terms of, I have to go home and do this, or do that, or have a wank, or wash my balls. Done both of those this morning, so that's sorted. I love a day with emitters. I'd love one in green, particularly. Look at that. Stunning. Wave the little boy. So yeah, tonight I am staying in a supremely luxury hotel. We don't, cut any sort of budgets here. I mean, this bike is the most expensive bike I've ever purchased in my life. Previous to this Superduke GT, I had absolute shitters my entire life, genuinely shitters. Never spent over £1,000, and then I did once on a Ducati. I spent £1,500 on a Ducati, and it was the absolute shit in terms of reliability. As a bike, it was lovely, but in terms of reliability, in that exact one, not good, mi amor. Already I'm deviating. am going to be doing is checking my mic every now and again in the camera, because obviously this is my first proper ride. I did the test yesterday. I haven't had a lot of time. My first day off was yesterday. I worked 12-hour days, so I don't have a lot of time off. Well, I do, but after a 12-hour day, you just sort of don't want to do anything. So I went out yesterday. I had all this set up. Everything's brand new to me. Mics are used, but the camera's new. And it was sort of just a test. How is everything performing? You know, any issues? Do I need to sort anything? And I got home and the mic was like almost off, like genuinely had almost fallen off. So I was like, oh dear. Well, that's not ideal. So last night I had to just sort that out, just that little mistake. It is recording. See, immediately I'm just like, oh no, it's not recording anymore. That's going to stay on there, isn't it? Yeah, that'll stay there. Got some riders here. There's going to be a lot of that's stopping and checking. Because I'm just so unsure that it's recording. Do I want to go this way? I guess I do. Testing. Testing. Right, so now I'm at a bit of road which should be quite nice to ride on, so I thought I'd restart the recording. What a fucking faff that was. It was a right faff to start that again. I don't know why it took so long. Is that screen now not going off? No, it is. It is going off. Everything's fine. I started taking photos. I was like, yeah, start recording. It's like, what, a photo? You want a photo? I was like, no. Oh, yeah, a photo. Oh. As I say, this is pretty much the first ride. Certainly the first big ride. I've been out a couple of times on it, but nothing, no distance really, to be honest. I've obviously got the new camera. I've never done anything like this before. And then I've got the new bike. This is very picturesque, isn't it? Very picturesque. And I guess the thing I'm trying to do is I'm trying to think, I guess what to record as much as anything. Sort of, should I stop here? Should I continue? I think for now I'm just going to continue. I don't see a reason to stop recording, really. This is quite pretty, this little town. This town's called Tresillian, I'm pretty sure. So this is the test. So this route I've made in Google Maps, I'm hoping now in a minute it's going to say you've arrived at your destination, because I've arrived at like the first point, and I'm hoping I can just continue again. That's the test, really. Ideally it would do it automatically, but I think I'm going to have to click something, but that's okay, because I've got this little carpet eater here, which is just fantastic. I've got the saddest music on ever, Jesus Christ. And now I've just got white noise. Oh God. God, there's so many cyclists out. God, that was a proper little machine. He had a special helmet on and wheels and all that covers on them. I wonder what level you need to be in order for that to make any difference at all. Right, it says I've arrived. And hopefully now, yeah, so now I've got to continue. Oh. Okay. If I just... Oh yeah, I've got to actually hit it. That's annoying. That's a bit of a pain in the ass, because those two go back. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, what the f*** is this shit now? Oh my God. Stop giving away my personal information. My fucking thing is playing rain sounds. Oh my fucking God, what's it doing? What are you doing? Oh, am I really going to have to pull over? No, obviously I don't want to write a bio, do I? Why would I want to write a bio? I can't believe I'm going to have to stop to do this shit. Oh my God, what is this? Do it. Amazing. Well, I have to pull over and sort that out. Faffing, just constant faffing. Why can't you just go back to the f***ing screen that I was on? Oh yes, oh. But now I don't know where I am. Is it still? It's not even directing me anymore. What a shit spit of software this is. Fucking hell. Why is it done that? Oh, I have to pull over again now and sort this out. And obviously there's no lay-bys here because, oh there we go. Okay, calm down, everything's fine, it's going to be a good day. I am enjoying it, it's just a lot of faffing. I should have called this channel Faffing Rides. I've called this, I don't know, this is going to ruin your view of it I think, but it's a lot better than me. Is that the parking? Well how am I going to get over there? That's not the parking, surely. Oh no it isn't, there's parking here. Okay, right. Oh it is working, I can hear it talking to me. Oh my God, okay. Let's just pull over here. Let's get our bearings. Let's sort some things out here. Let's check that mic as well. Oh, dearie me. So how are you directing me then? I just heard it talk to me. Bloody hell. Bloody jizz. So I've done the first two stops. I've done that one. Oh shit.